Smoke from intense wildfires in Washington state is hanging over parts of British Columbia today, prompting an air quality advisory in Vancouver. There are concerns the blaze will creep over the border, but so far it's holding at about 4 kilometers away. Now, as John Waugh reports, BC firefighters are on their way to help, hoping to ensure the fire doesn't end up on their doorstep.
Dozens of wildfires continue to rage out of control in Washington state, overwhelming resources and evacuees.
I'm so angry right now. I'm so tired.
With flames creeping less than 5 kilometers from the Canada-U.S. border, reinforcements from the north are now on the ground.
They arrived in Washington last night, and this morning they were briefed along with the rest of the U.S. crews that are assigned to the Stickland fire.
The backup from British Columbia, consisting of 33 attack crew members, 3 officers, and 2 bulldozers, concentrating their efforts on a northeast section of the Stickpin wildfire closest to the Christina Lake and Grand Forks area. Wildfire crews able to hold the fire line over the weekend.
The BC Wildfire Service crews are going to take over where the U.S. Forest Service crews take off and then look for opportunities for establishing containment lines.
In exchange for the help, southern British Columbia blanketed in a haze. The thickest smoke wafting north of the wildfires into the Kootenays, Okanagan Valley, and southern interior.
There are so many wildfires burning in Washington state, even in BC as well, that it's inevitable that we would be impacted at some point.
Even Metro Vancouver issuing an advisory for parts of the Fraser Valley, asking people who experience difficulty breathing to contact medical help. With 3 lives already claimed by the wildfires in Washington state, the danger is likely in the back of the minds of BC crews, heading to the front lines of a forest fire now 1.5 times larger than the city of Vancouver. John Waugh, Global News, Vancouver.
People in southern Manitoba are cleaning up today after a strong summer storm. The winds gusted up to 70 kilometers per hour, bringing down trees and power lines. Hundreds of homes lost electricity. Winnipeg received up to 90 millimeters of rain yesterday, forcing an amusement park outside the city to close its gates. The heavy rain also flooded some basements, leaving homeowners to sort through their soggy and damaged belongings.
You have to pull everything in one corner, clean it, dry it, shove stuff back, just keep shoving stuff around. So at this point we don't know if the washer and dryer will work.
Rainfall warnings remain in place for areas of Manitoba along the Ontario border. Newly released documents reveal the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency was aware of the risk for a blowout at an abandoned Colorado mine long before a devastating toxic spill. More than 11 million liters of wastewater laced with heavy metals spilled from the Gold King mine nearly 3 weeks ago. It has polluted rivers in 3 states. A contractor first warned the EPA about a potential spill more than a year ago. Cleanup measures are underway, and there are multiple investigations looking into how this happened.